Hi, this is Rajeshwar Sharma. Welcome to special episode on Air Show. Flying is always a beautiful experience. We watch the machine birds flying in the air with surprise. Now you are going to watch very little flights being made by young engineering students. This event has taken place at Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad. Several micro air vehicles were tested on 12th December as part of 3-day national conference on micro air vehicles. Mini air vehicles with single rotor, 3 rotors and 4 rotors were being demonstrated here. KAB TV has spoken with the designers of these micro air vehicles. First of all, let us meet Vishnuvardhan, who is pursuing aeronautical engineering with Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. He made a very small micro air vehicle that can fly up to 5 minutes, and along with his friend Ram Manikanta, Vishnu made this micro air vehicle and demonstrated it. He informed that his micro air vehicle could be used for military surveillance purposes.
My name is Vishnuvardhan. We are from IARE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. So we are the 4th year guys in aeronautical branch. We have done MAV, which is a micro air vehicle. Its name is Night Queen. The main application for the micro air vehicle is nothing but it is for the surveillance in the military purposes and in the chemical industry for the monitoring of the chemical applications. And for the high hill stations, we can use there itself. So it's an unmanned thing and it's very lightweight and we can carry it anywhere. And the weight of it's around 90 grams. And if you see this model, it is an inverse Zimmermann. Inverse Zimmermann in the sense having the whole thing is like an ellipse shape. So it has a more surface area, in the sense more wetted area, which is nothing but it can be provided more lift. So and this is a motor. The motor having the 3.5 mAh, 350 mAh, and motor gives a thrust around, we calculated, that is around approximately the RPM is 2900, and due to that the thrust is provided around 21 newtons, we calculated, and the thrust is exactly giving the sufficient lift to this model, and the weight is around 90 grams. That is it. And these are the control surfaces. If you see here, these are the elevons. Elevons here, we can say for any model to control the aircraft, we require the three control surfaces. But here we are using the only single control surface. By providing this, we can control the pitch movement, and the yaw and rolling movement. So here we can see the deflections. Once it deflected downward, the model will go downward. Once it deflected upward, the model will go upward. This is not the pitching moment. And the rolling movement will be occurred by when they deflected in quite opposite way. In the sense, it will be rolled like this. Deflection is the upward, so the lifting force will be the downward. So in the sense, the model will come like this. Like this. So these are the two, the control surface is known as the elevons. So it's the advantage here. And the main advantage here is, here the camera will be provided. So nowadays it's having a tremendous applications in the military in the defense. So nowadays our R&D department is also working on this. So we hope the MAV will be the very like in India also we can see the very MAV's applications in the military purpose.
How much it cost to do?
The cost is around for this model is around we put 30 to 40,000 approximately, and for the video and another for the OSD system and everything we put another cost. And even though the one more advantage is a less cost. Even though if it is undergone the crash, so it will be very less cost.
Material is very light and sturdy, so even if it gets damaged, we can easily replace the bodies. What is the energy it takes?
Energy is the lipo batteries. It requires
the requirement is around 7.4 volts.
7.4 volts. So for the science consideration and weight consideration, we are using the two lipo batteries. Those having the
350 mAh.
350 mAh. Those are having the weights around 11 grams and 11 grams, so total 22 grams.
So how many hours it can fly?
It can fly in not hours, minutes wise, depending upon the charging.
And if the batteries are rechargeable?
Rechargeable batteries.
And how many times you have tested?
We tested twice. The first time we really got failed, and the second time it's gliding, and we show that we can fly now.
Okay. What are the flight test results?
Flight test results actually, flight test results in the sense we tried. The main disadvantage here in this model is we are feeling is like we need a reduction of the weight, a bit reduction of the weight. So we are trying that. We are even though doing the work on that. So we showed that's the only drawback. Other than that, the model is working.
So as far as these air vehicles are concerned, how small, is there any most smaller version after this one?
Yeah, we can find even
The
the
problem is with the equipment.
yeah.
We can build smaller models, but the equipment is not available presently. I mean,
No,
the
in
technology.
In the field, is there any smaller versions? than
Yeah,
this?
we can find. If you search in the Google and we can find the. I don't know. Those are the prototypes. I think. I don't know whether there's flying or not. But we found so many lesser models compared to this one.
Who have guided you?
Our lecturers, our professors.
Professor M. Anjaneyulu sir and Professor P.V. Subbaraju sir and Professor Sudhir Shastri sir. They guided us in building this model.
How do you feel about it?
Yeah, we are feeling very happy.
Ram Manikanta. I'm from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. I feel very prestigious in making this model and participating in this competition. I was dreaming from the very beginning to build such kind of models and get a good name and get into a good field.
What course you are doing there and what you are going to do?
I'm doing my BTech final year in Aeronautical Engineering.
And what is your aspiration? Where do you want to go?
I like to go into the government departments, which are this DRDO, ISRO.
Speaking to KAB TV, Sangeeta Chandrasekhar and Sri Meghana of JNTU Hyderabad told that their quad rotor micro air vehicle can lift off vertically and move in the air in different directions. They informed that their micro air vehicle could be used in terms of natural calamities and earthquakes. The students have told that quad rotor could be used for military purposes also.
Hi, I'm Sangeeta Chandrasekhar and this is my co-mate Sri Meghna.